Hi everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. We are going to learn crochet with Gufran. Guess what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn cute crochet flower. Look how is cute. Not just flower, we are also going to learn how to join this cute crochet flower together. For cute crochet flower, we need just thread, needle, and of course cutter. We have to cut something. Okay, so we have lots of chit chat. Now we are going to start process how to do it. Let's do it. Here we are using 4-ply cotton thread and the needle size is 2.5 mm. Let's start with slip knot. We will make a slip knot. It's really easy. It's going to be really easy, so we have to follow one by one steps. We are making 6 chain, and after 6 chain we have to lock with slip knot. If you have difficulty what is slip knot, what is single crochet, everything, you can see my beginner class. It's available on YouTube, so you can learn the basic things. We got perfect round shape. Now we are making one chain and we are going to make 12 single crochet all around the ring. I'm going to keep it fast because it's just single crochet. We have to make 12 times single crochet. I don't want to make it long video, that's why I'm keeping it fast. You can pause and you can make your things. When you're done with 12 single crochet, then you have to make slip knot and finish this round and we will go together. Hope you are getting all stitches. If you have any difficulty, if you have any question, you can drop your comment. I'll always reply your comment. Now we are making slip knot. Slip knots makes round perfect and it's easy to go in the second round. Now we are finished this and now we are making 3 chain. You have to keep counting the stitches. You have to make perfect petals. We are done with 3 chain. Now we are going to make triple crochet. We are making 3 triple crochet in next stitch. We can also say 3 triple crochet in next stitch or 3 triple crochet together. This is second triple crochet. Now we are making third triple crochet in same stitch. Make sure you are also in same stitch. If you are enjoying it, please drop comment what next you want to learn. I will make videos for you. We finished triple crochet 3 times. We are making 3 chain and now we will go to the next stitch and we will lock it with slip knot. Stitch should be clean, then petal will be look beautiful. Now we are making 6 petals, but we will follow step by step. Same like this we are going to make here. We will make 3 chain like how we made before and we will make 3 triple crochet in next stitch. We are going to next stitch. Now we are not making in the same stitch and again we have to make 3 in a same stitch. Like chain we will make in a different stitch and triple crochet we will make in the same stitch. So we are going to finish the triple crochet 3 times in a same stitch. If you have any question related to this petal, you can drop a comment. I will reply. Now we are going to make 3 chain again and now we are going to lock it with slip knot in a next stitch. Now we have 2 beautiful petals. Look, it's looking really cute. Again we are going to make 3 chain. We started from there where we locked that last 3 chain. We have to repeat patterns like first petals we made. We have to make 6 petals like that. Now I'm going to show you how to attach flowers together. So we have to pick up previous flower. I already made 2.5 petals. So the petal is 3 chain, 1 triple crochet. So now we are going to attach in the other flowers. So see how I'm going to attach. It should be mid of the flower. There is a 3 triple crochet. So I'm going to, with the mid triple crochet, I pass the loops and now I'm going to making triple crochet again. This is going to be second triple crochet for these petals. We have to make 3 triple crochet for each petal. So one petal is already made. This is second petal and now I'm going to finish this. Now I'm going to attach this chain, and now I'm going to finish these petals. Now I'm making new petals, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet, and after this triple crochet I'm going to attach with the, yes, I finished. Now I'm going to attach with the second flowers, and it should be in a mid. There is a 3 triple crochet, so I'm going with the mid triple crochet. It should be like proper, then it will look nice. So I'm going to pass here, and yes, I passed it. And now I'm going to make second triple crochet in a same stitch. Now I finished this flower. I'm going to cut the thread and I'm going to lock it. And yes, we have to pass back side the extra threads what we have, and we are going to knot back side because back side should be knock and hidden the thread. Front side should be neat and clean. Look how it's going to be look. There is a 6 petals like every flower we have, and 2 petals it's attached, so you can attach like that and you can finish your product. It will look really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this class, and also I guess you learned something new. Let's continue in next class, and we have to make and learn together lots of crazy things. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you in next class. Bye.